How to add block addresses in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage, okay, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to more settings. In more settings on left side, okay, go to contact and security privacy. Okay, click this. And now you can see here the block addresses. You will not receive message from the addresses listed below. The sender will not be notified. So okay guys, to add the addresses you want to block, okay, you'll have to do is click the add button here. And now you can enter the email address or address you want to block. So for my example, I add this email address, and after that, after you add email address, okay, click save button to save. And that's it. Okay, block sender added. So okay guys, we have successfully add. And if you want to add another, okay, click add button, but for now I add one only. And okay guys, go to back to inbox button on the upper left side on your screen, okay, to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add block addresses in Yahoo Mail on computer.